Okay, children. Normally, this section is spheres. Children, ball is a whatever ball you have. This is a 2D figure. Okay, well, circle. I mean to say circle is a 2D figure, and the ball which we have, children, ball which we have is a 3D figure. Ball is a 3D figure. Okay, so the ball which we get, whether it is a solid ball or a hollow ball, is called as a sphere. Is called as a sphere. Okay, so normally balls out. If you catch like this, children, the balls you are catching. Okay, the playing balls, football or whatever it is. Please see here, children. That is CSA or TSA. In sphere, CSA and TSA is same children because the whole thing is included. In sphere only, CSA and TSA are equal. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand. There is no separate CSA and no separate TSA in sphere. Please mute your audience, children. Someone mute your audience and keep children. Yeah. In spheres, CSA and TSA are same. In spheres, CSA and TSA are same. Whereas in cylinders, children, in cylinders, what we saw, this is CSA and this plus this is TSA. In cone, what we saw, this is CSA, this plus this is TSA. And in cubes, what we saw in cubes, the four walls of a room is a CSA, and four walls plus top and bottom is TSA. But in spheres, CSA and TSA is same children, and the formula for CSA or TSA is 4 pi r square. It's spheres. Okay, children, and the volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is children. Volume of a sphere is
4 pi into r square by 3.
no 4 by 3 pi r. 4 by 3 pi r. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r. This is full sphere. This is full sphere. Now, if I take hemisphere, when you cut your watermelon, how does it look like? If you take hemisphere, for hemisphere, CSA is this children. This is CSA. This whole thing is called CSA. Someone is unmuting. Please mute your audios and listen. And TSA is this plus this children and more. In sphere, CSA and TSA is same children because the whatever we are catching our cricket ball or tennis ball in our hand, CSA and TSA will be same. Whereas in hemisphere, this is CSA, and this plus this is TSA, and inside the space is 1. Okay, and the CSA of sphere is half of this. Can anyone tell what is half of this?
2 pi r square.
Very 2 pi r square. Now TSA, children, this is CSA plus this. This is how much, children? This is how much? The area of this is how much? Anyone?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is how much?
3 pi r
3
square.
pi r square.
3 pi r square is TSA. And the volume
Sir,
of
volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube.
fantastic man. Half of this. Very good. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is half of this. So you should remember these are the formulas which we are consistently will be using. These 2-3 days I will be using doing continuously spheres only, and on Sunday we'll be having exam in spheres. Next Sunday. Please write properly, children. Many of you are not attempting properly, please. So sphere, CSA and TSA are equal, and the formula is 4 pi r square. Volume is inside space 4 by 3 pi r. And for hemisphere, CSA is just this 2 pi r square. TSA is this plus this 3 pi r square. Volume inside space is 2 by 3 pi r. Shall we start, children? So these are the formulas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will be keeping the
Yes, sir.
formulas. Okay, I will be keeping here for your reference when we are doing the sums. CSA, TSA is 4 pi r square. Okay, 1 second, someone join us. Yeah, and the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and for hemisphere, CSA is 2 pi r square, TSA is 3 pi r square, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. These are the formulas we'll be using consistently. First question, children, for your reference. Find the surface area of the sphere. One of you keep calculator ready, children. Find the surface area of sphere. First question. Whose radius is 10.5 centimeters? Another question. Whose radius is 5.6 centimeters? Another question. Whose radius is whose radius is 4 centimeters. Another question, whose diameter is 14 centimeters, whose diameter is 21 centimeter, whose diameter is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, children, surface area of sphere we should find out. First sum, we will start with Sujit. Sujit, are you there? Sujit,
Yes, sir.
CSA of sphere, formula.
CSA is equal to 4 pi r square
Okay,
is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5.
okay, 7 1 7 5 4 into 1.5 is 6, 6 into 10.5. So
132.
132 into 10.5. Can anyone help me? 132 into 10.5. Anyone?
1386, sir.
1386 centimeters square. Sujit, next sum also you know.
Yes, sir.
What is the CSA of sphere?
4 pi r square.
Tell me. 4 into?
4 into 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6.
This is 0.8. So 22 into 4 8 is 32. Can anyone help me? 22 into 3.2 into 5.6. Anyone?
394.24.
How much?
394.24, sir.
394.24. Sujit, third sum. Sujit,
CSA is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 4 into 4.
we will take this as 3.14. 3.14 into 4 for the 16, 64. Can anyone help me? 3.14 into 64?
Sir, 1480.96.
1480.96.
96.
96. Okay. Remaining students, mute your audios. Okay. Now Sujit is over. Sujit, it's completed for you. Next, who will ask? Saisha, you tell now. Here, CSA of sphere.
Yes, sir. 4 pi r square.
Square.
4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7.
Very good. Because diameter is 14, its radius is 10. Very good. Now tell me then, 88 into 7.
88 into 7.
616 centimeters square. Tell this also. Tell this also.
Yes, sir. CSA is equals to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into
21 into 21.
it's 21.
Okay.
Sir,
22.
diameter.
Okay.
You wrote
Diameter. No, sorry. Very good. But telling me 4 into 22 by
4
7
into
into
22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21.
7 3. This is 66. 66 into 21. How much? 6 under 6, 6 to the 12, 13, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 6 centimeters square. Okay. Now,
Sir, is that diameter 3.5 or
this is
35?
this is 3.5. Tell.
CSA is equals to 4 pi r square. 4
Okay.
into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into
No,
35
3.5 by 2. 3.5. 3.5 by 2 into
3.5 by 2.
3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. So now this 4 cancel. 2 11s are 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 into 11, 55, 22, 27, 22, 24, 30. 134.75
Sir,
centimeters.
I think fourth answer is 1386, sir.
This one,
Fifth one, sir.
how much?
1386.
1,300. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Sasha, thank you. So children, like this we have to do. Next question. Okay, next question. Tanmay, it's your question. Find the TSA. Find the TSA of hemisphere. Children, many of you in industry are not drawing figures. Children, next time if you don't draw figures in the test, I will not give marks. Without figures, you should not do some. Many times I told you that. So children, find the TSA of hemisphere and a solid hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere and a solid hemisphere, each of radius 10 centimeters. Children, this is 10 centimeters. TSA of a hemisphere and a solid hemisphere. Okay, now you tell me TSA of hemisphere formula. TSA of hemisphere. How much, Amma?
3 pi r square.
Oh my God. 3 pi r square.
Sir, sixth answer is 3,850.
No, not possible. I did correct only.
3.
This is correct. 11, 20, 11, 20.
Okay, it's 3.5. I wrote as 35. Sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
no,
Sorry, sir.
that's what, because I did calculation. This also, I think wrong what you did there. 6 1 6 6 to the 12. 6 6 to the 12. Okay, well, this is correct. What you did. Okay, now this how much?
3 into 22 by 7
Into
into 10 into 10.
what we will do? 22 by 7 will take it as
3.14.
3.14 into 100 is how much?
314.
314 into 3 is how much? 3 4 the 12, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 2 centimeters square. I hope everyone are copying. No one is sitting idle. Everyone should copy. So the TSA of hemisphere is 1242 centimeters square. Next, Larry. The surface area of a sphere is 5544 centimeters square. Find its diameter. The surface area of sphere is 5544 centimeters square. Find its diameter. Okay. Srijita, you tell me, surface area is given 5544. What is its diameter? Surface area of sphere formula.
4 pi r square.
Tell.
4 pi r square 4 into 5544 is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square.
Okay, we'll write a lot of distance. Children, 7 will go up. 5544 into 7, 4 into 22 into r square. This will go down, children, because it's upper. So 5544 into 7 by 4 into 22. 11 to the 5 now 4. 2 to the 2 5 the 2 to the 4 6 the 24 4 3 the 12. So r square is equal to 63 into 7. Please check, children. R square is equal to 63 means what, children? 9 7s are into 7. So r square is equal to 9 square we can write as 3 square. 7 into 7 we can write as 7 square. Square 1. R is equal to 21. When r is 21, diameter is equal to 2r. So answer is 42 centimeters. Answer is 42 centimeters. Okay, I hope you are copying, children. If you did not copy, at least take the picture so that you can copy later. Or else I will send the video. You can see it from the viewers.
Sir,
Yes, Nana.
the answer is 942, I think. Sir.
Which one?
314 into 3 is 942, sir.
314 into 3 is 942. Okay.
Yes, sir.
942. Okay. Centimeters. Yeah, Nana, please. I'm rubbing this. Next one. Next one. Nandita, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is the question number we have to do now? 6, 7, 8, 9th question.
9, sir.
9th question. Hemispherical bowl is made up of brass. Hemispherical bowl is there. Hemispherical bowl is there. Okay. It's made up of brass. Inner diameter. Check your inner diameter is given. You should draw figure like this. Inner diameter. Okay. Ready to go. Now inner diameter is how much, Vincent? Inner diameter is 10.5 centimeters. Inner diameter is 10.5 centimeters. And find the cost of thin plating. Inside only is asking, happy. At the rate of 4 per 100 centimeters. 4 rupees per 100 centimeters. Now we have to thin plate here now. Thin plating we are doing here. So how much? CSA of?
CS of hemisphere.
What is the formula? CSA of hemisphere?
Sorry, 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Tell me how to.
2 into 22 by 7 into
Okay.
10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2.
10.5 into 2 by 10.5.
2 cancels.
2 to cancel. 7 1 the 7 5. 15 to the
22 in
33 into 10.5.
33 into 10.5
By 2.
by 2.
3 5 the 15 1 3 3 1 5 3 4 6 5 by 2. Okay, this is CSA. Now this is CSA. What is CSA? 3 4 6
3465 by 2
centimeters.
centimeters square.
Now cost, how you will do now? Cost.
Sir, into 4. 346 by 5 by 2 into 4.
into 4 by 100.
4 by 100, yes.
4 rupees per 100 centimeters
100
square.
centimeters.
So this 2 it will go away. 2 by that 10, 2 6 that 12, 13, 8, 9, 2, 6 by 100. How much answer?
693, 69.3 rupees.
Is cost of
Cost of
inflating the inner CSA of
CSU
hemisphere.
hemisphere.
Next. Sorry, is not there. Okay. Vivek, you can answer. Dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. Children. Dome of the building is in the form of hemisphere. Okay. Dome of building is in the form of hemisphere. The radius is 63 dm. Children, this is the radius. Radius is 63 dm. Dm means Vivek, dm means what?
Sir, by
Hmm.
the decimal.
6.3
Decimeter.
meter. Decimeters
6.3
means
meters.
by 10 we should do. Decimeters means by 10 we should do. Okay. So radius is
Okay, sir.
63 decimeters. Find the cost of polishing at the rate of 2 per meter square. 2 per meter square. Cost of polishing means CSA. Cost of polishing
Yes,
means
sir.
CSA.
CSA, sir.
Ah,
CSA is equal to 2 pi r square.
Okay.
2 into 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3. 7 0.9 44 into 0.9 into 6.3, sir.
Okay.
Which is
39.6 into
6 into
6.3
6.3
is CSA. Now cost means cost.
into 2, sir.
39.6 into
9.6 into
6.3.
6.3 into 2.
2 6 the 12 9 the 18 to 79.2 into 6.3.
6.
Can anyone help me now? What is the cost? 79.2 into
498.9.
498.96.
495.6.
498, sir. 98.
498.96.
96. 498.96.
Is rupees is the cost of tin plating. Cost of tin plating. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Next, Yashasvi. 11 seconds. Yashasvi, are you there now? Assuming Earth is a sphere, children. He's saying, assume Earth is a sphere. You will say, sir, sphere only. No, means sphere only, but it is little bit oval in shape. Means bulged at the equator, narrow at the poles. You know that. That we studied in the gravitation lesson. Okay, but anyway, the radius of the Earth, how much they are saying is the radius of Earth. Someone keep ready your calculators, children, because it's big calculation. 6370 kilometers. Okay. And how many square kilometers of area of the land? If 3/4 of Earth is covered with children, 3/4 of Earth is water. So only 1/4 is land. So we have to find out CSA or PSA is same for the sphere. Whose chances? Yashasvi. Tell them. Yashasvi. Yashasvi. Okay, Vikram. Okay, Neeraj.
Yes, sir.
CSA or TSA of sphere.
Yes, sir. 4 pi r square.
But only 1/4 is the land.
Yes, sir. So 1 by 4 into 4 pi r square.
Okay.
4 4 cancels, so pi r square. 22 by 7 into r, we have 6370 into 6370.
Okay, so can anyone help me? 22 into 910 into 6370.
9 1 0 into
6370. Anyone?
70.
127 527 400.
Yes, sir. 127 527 400.
Kilometer square is area of land on the earth. Only I took 1/4 children because 1/4 is only land. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Okay, children, right. Thank you, Megan. Okay, children. So next, let us go children to some. So Yashasvi did not say finished chances. Rugved, are you there now?
Sir, I will say this one also, sir.
No.
The before one was small.
Okay, sir. A cylinder of same height and radius is placed on the top of hemisphere. Now see, there is a hemisphere. On hemisphere, they are keeping a cylinder of same radius, and how much this is radius, that much only is the height. You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
On a hemisphere, they are keeping a cylinder. Okay. Now, what is the question? The radius of same height and radius is placed on the top of hemisphere. Find the CSA of the if the length of the shape is 7 centimeters. If the total length of this shape is 7 centimeters, find the CSA. Can you tell how CSA is this? How much CSA of this?
CSA is equal to 2 pi.
Both are there. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA
CSA of cylinder.
CSA of hemisphere formula.
2 pi r square.
What is the CSA of cylinder formula?
2 pi.
2 pi r h.
What is common in both of them?
2 pi
R.
r.
R plus
So the r plus h.
2 into
2 into 22 by 7 into
What is
r. We
radius?
have r. They gave us
7. Fully 7. Here 1 R is there. Here 1 is 7 by 2.
okay.
7 by 2 plus here also height also 7 by 2. Height also 7 by 2.
Yes, sir. Plus 7 by 2.
Okay. So 22 into 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2, 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is
14.
7.
So that is equal to 154 centimeter.
Is the CSA of the shape. This is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi h. This is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi h. Like that we should put it. Okay. So CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder gives the PSA of the shape. PSA of the shape. Next, Rigved, are you there? Rigved, you want to say? Okay, children, 1 second, children. Just 1 second. Online. Rigved is not there. Hansika, you tell them, Hansika.
Yes, sir.
Diameter of the moon. See now, diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Question is, what is the surface area of the moon to surface area of the earth ratio? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If diameter means what now? 2 times of 2 times of
2 times of radius
and diameter of the earth means
into 2.
2 cancel. So radius of moon is 1/4 the radius of earth. What I want to say is, yes, children, everyone, if diameter is 1/4, radius is also 1/4. If diameter is 1/3, radius is also 1/3. If diameter is 1/10, radius is also 1/10. Remember that. Okay. Now, tell surface area of moon by surface area of earth. Imagine both are spheres. 4 pi
R
r square.
4 pi
r square.
R square.
4 pi cancel. So surface area of moon by surface area of earth. Rm is how much now? Rm is how much?
1 by 4 RE.
Means Re by 4. Re by 4 whole square. Here also 1 by Re square. So surface area of moon by surface area of earth is Re square by 4 square is how much now? 16.
16.
R square cancel. Surface area of moon by surface area of earth is 1 by 16. So the ratio of surface area is 1:16. 1:16. Now, children, they did not ask volumes, but I will do volumes also for you. Okay. You will tell them, Hansika, volumes ratio. Volume of moon by volume of earth. Tell formula is 4 by 3 pi.
4 by 3 pi r square, pi r cube.
Rm cube by
4 by 3 pi r RE cube.
very good. This one cancel. Rm cube by
RM cube by RE cube.
Rm cube by Re cube. Now tell me calculations. Rm what will take? Re by 4.
1 by RE by 4, sir.
Whole
RE by
cube
4.
by here 1 by Re cube already is there. So tell me how to do.
RE
Re cube by 64
by
into
64 into
Re cube. Volume of moon by volume of earth is
1
1
is
by 64. Volume of earth by volume of moon by volume of earth is ratio is
1:16.
okay. CSS are in the ratio of 1:16. Volumes are in the ratio of 1:64. CSS are in the ratio of 1:16. Volumes are in the ratio of 1:64. Like that you have to do. No putting some. Okay. The putting some the diameter. Hemispherical dome of building needs to be painted. Circumference of the base. Okay, this is the next one. I will help you. Let's just. Aisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, there's a circumference. He's saying that the circumference of the base of the hemisphere. This is the circumference. So much noise is
2
coming.
pi r square.
No, 1 second. No. Find the cost of polishing at the rate of 5 per 100 centimeters square. 17.6 meters. Okay, Nana, see here. This circumference is 17.6. Nana. What is the formula for circumference of circle, Saisha?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. 17.6. Tell Nana. 2 into?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, tell.
Yes, sir. 2 into 22, 22 by 7 into
R.
r
So tell me. This goes down.
into 22 into r is equals to 17.6 by 7 into 7.
If you remove this
into
point,
22.
10 will come here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
2 8s are 2 8s are 11 4s are 11 20. No, lot of distance. Mute your audio. Lot of distance. Mute.
Mm.
So radius is equal to 4 7s are 28. 28 by 20. So 2 14 are 10. 14 by 10 is 1.4 meters. 1.4 meters. Shalmo, if radius is 1.4 meter, tell me CSA. What is the CSA of hemisphere?
CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r
Square. Tell. 2 into
2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4.
okay. So
See,
2
0.2.
to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8.8 into
8.8.
1.4.
1.
8 4 to 32, 112, 112, 1, 2, 3, 12.32 meters square.
meter square.
Now cost also we should find out. Cost. What they give cost? 5 per 100 centimeters square. Shenmukh, convert 12.32 meters square to centimeters square. Can you convert? Meter square to centimeter square. Can you convert?
Yes, sir.
How to convert?
By 1000.
No, meter square to centimeters
Into 10,000, sir.
into 100 into 100. 12.32 into 100 into 100 meters square. Cost is how much, Nana? Cost 5 rupees per
5
100
rupees
meter.
per 100.
100 cancel. So 12.32 into 100 is 1232 into 5. 5 to the 10, 15, 16, 10, 11, 6, 6, 160 rupees is cost of polishing. Is the cost of polishing. Okay, next sum. Next sum, 1 second. Next question. Yeah. Advika, you will tell Anna, no? Advika, you want to say? I'll help you. Advika, are you there? Okay. Pravalika, are you there? Vedant?
Yes, sir.
Radius is 7 meters. Radius is 7 meters. Find the TSA or CSA of the sphere.
CSA is equal to 4 pi r square
Okay.
is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7.
Okay.
7 7 cancel. 88 times 7. 616.
616 meters square. Next, Pravalika is not there. Nanika, you are there?
Yes,
Pravalika,
sir.
Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now find the TSA and CSA of hemisphere of radius 21 centimeters. CSA and TSA of hemisphere. Pravalika, the CSA formula?
The CSA is equal to 2 pi r square.
Okay, tell me. 2 into?
2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21.
Okay. How much is that?
44 into 3 into 21.
Can anyone help me? 132 into 21?
2772, sir.
So 2772.
Okay. Pravalika, tell me TSA?
So TSA is equal to 3 pi r square.
3 pi r square. 3
3
into?
into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21.
Okay. 66.
66 into 3 into 21.
Can anyone help me? 66 into 3 into 21?
4158.
4158 centimeters square. That's it. Next. Okay, children, I hope all are you copying, children. All of you, if you didn't copy, I'll send the video. Please check the answers, children. Okay. Next one. Nandika, you are there. Kennedy Nandika. Find the surface area. Okay, she's not there. Next
Sir.
one. You are there.
Yes, sir.
Initially, the balloon radius is 7. Later, it became 14. Initially, balloon radius is 7. Later, it became 14. Okay. Find the ratio of surface area in both the cases. Find the ratio of surface area in both the cases.
Yes. 4
Tell
pi
me.
r1 square by 4 pi r2 square.
Okay.
Sir, is equal to 7 square by 14 square.
Okay.
7 square whole square.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 whole square. Tell now. S1 by S2 is 1 by
Sir,
4.
ratio is 1 by 4, 1:4.
1 is to 4. Next. Rishikesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is saying in a cylinder, they kept a sphere like this. In a cylinder, they kept a sphere. Okay, show that the surface area of sphere is same that of CSA of cylinder. He is saying CSA of sphere is equal to CSA of cylinder. He is asking you to show. So what do you do now? Nana, this is what this is called as diameter.
Diameter.
This is called height of the cylinder.
Height of the cylinder.
Okay, so let's check. CSA of sphere is 4 pi
The
r.
CSA of sphere
4 pi r
is equals to
square.
4 pi r square
Okay.
is equals
CSA
to
of cylinder
CSA of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r square.
2 pi r. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h.
Oh yes, sorry. 2 pi r.
Okay, 2 pi r. What is h? What is h? H is
H is diameter of
diameter. Diameter means what?
is equals to 2
2 r. 2 into 2 4
4
5
pi
r
into
square.
r square.
So are they same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are same. Next. Raghuram, are you there? Raghuram, are you there?
Yes.
20th question. He's saying a right circular
sir.
cylinder just encloses okay. 1 second. A hemispherical bowl is made up of 0.25 centimeters thick. See, hemispherical bowl is there. Hemispherical bowl is there. Please mute your audio. I will ask you after telling question. 0.25 centimeters is the thickness level from here to here. The thickness 0.25 centimeters. Inner radius is 5 centimeters. Inner radius is 5 centimeters. Inner radius is 5 centimeters. Question is find the outer CSA. Yeah, tell. Outer CSA.
Yes, sir.
CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi big R square. Inner
2 pi r square.
Inner means small
2
r
into 20.
square. Outer means 2 pi big R square.
Yes.
2 into
2 into 22 by 7 into capital R square.
how much? How much? 5 plus 0.25. How much?
5 in 5.25 into 5.25.
5.25 into 5.25. 2 into
2 into 22 by 2 into 3.1. 22 by 7 into 525 by 100 into 525 by 100.
7 7 the 7 5 25 3 25 4 2 2 11 11 3 33 33 into 5.25. Can anyone help me?
Sir, 173.25.
173.25. Correct. 173.25 centimeters square is the CSA of outer sphere. CSA of outer sphere. Outer. Inner means you just take 5 only. Outer means 5.25. Inner means take 5. Outer means 5.25. Inner means only 5 children. Outer means 5.25. Right. So like this, students. Remaining sums, we will do tomorrow, children. For today, this is enough in maths. Okay.